Hey guys, RoonPicker here for another lock picking video, and I got a brown belt lock for you today. This is the Kwikset Smart Key Gen 3. Here is the lock body and the keyway. And you can see the key does work. Come on. Here is the bitting on the key. This is my fourth take trying to do this between being interrupted and just the lock not cooperating, is just not having it tonight. Here is my specialized shim. And here is the angle on it. So we're gonna see if we can get this open today. Let's put this in the locked body. Zoom in, there we go. See if we can get this shim in. The hardest part of this is not getting the shim in, surprisingly. I say that as I'm having an issue right now. Let's try this way. I can't remember which way. Was it this way? I feel like I was doing it this way. Hold on a second, guys. This thing is... There we go. There we go. Had to just reorient it a little bit. I don't think that's it. I don't think that's it, guys. I wonder if I'm oversetting them. They all seem to be set. That's the... Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. There we go. Ah ha ha! We got it. On camera to boot. Alright, zoom out. Let's go show this core turned. In frame. There we go. We got it on camera, guys. Alright, should be smooth sailing from here on out. Alright, locked it back up. Let's go ahead and get this clip off the back. You know, I honestly almost threw out this hook because it's bent, but I'm glad I didn't, because I could manhandle those pins with this hook and not be afraid of breaking it, you know what I mean? Now, to verify the sidebar, make sure we're still in frames. Here we go. You can see we got that square sidebar right there. I apologize, Reid. It's mangled for me trying to get the shim in there properly all the time. But you can see it is the Gen 3 because it is the square sidebar. Let me get my clip remover. And then we'll show that the wafers are in here properly. Maybe I'll just do this. Maybe this is the smart way of doing it. Yeah, that's the smart way of doing it. Oh, okay, there's a ring off the back. Key. I don't know if I need to follow her or not. Alright, well, here's the wafers. I think we should be okay. I've not taken one of these fully apart yet, so I'm hoping that I Do not break it. Right. This is wafer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. 4, 3, 2. Oh, come on. There's 1. And yeah, those are the wafers. Here is the sidebar, and this must be for the smart key portion. Okay, and let me see. Don't know what else they need. Okay, well, we're gonna say that's good. That's good there. Anything else? Does this come off? No, it does not, but those are there. Okay. All right, just wanna make sure everything's kosher. All right, so making sure this doesn't leave frame. All right, we can see that we got those wafers in there. Here is this chamber. I don't know what this is, to be honest with you. I'll have to ask Reid when I see him. Here's the other side of it. Here is the lock body. And here is the core, and you can see it has those, I don't know, those are sliders or something in there. Yeah, that is the Quickset Smart Key Gen 3. Where is that sidebar? It must have been on here. That must be the sidebar. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. Thank you all for watching. If you like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.